Ya, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Lia Fauzia, Class 1C of TBI, University Islam Negeri Sultan Maulana Hasanuddin, Banten. Here, I will tell briefly about two films that I have watched. The first is The Miracle of Worker, and the second is The Karate Kid. And now, I will tell you the first one, which is The Karate Kid. The Karate Kid. When Drake Parker goes to Nerley Park, where he sees a young violinist, she is Mayings, who returns his attention. But 14 years old Chinese boy, he is Chang-e, a rebellious kung fu expert whose family is close to Maying, holds a grudge against Drake Parker and spared him, them by brutally attacking, tasing, and bullying Drake Parker whenever he gets the chance. Mr. Han instead proposed that Drake Parker compete against Student Lee one-on-one in the upcoming Open Kung Fu tournament, asking his student to leave Drake alone to train for the tournament. He teaches this by having Drake Parker repetitive movement with using his jacket, which teaches Drake Parker actual musical memory movements. Mr. Han helps Drake Parker write and read an apology note in Chinese to Mei's father, who said Drake give an apology, promising that Mei will attend the tournament to support Drake Parker. In the tournament, Drake Parker is less self-confident, is slow to strike a balance with his competitors, but soon begins to beat them and advance to the semifinals. Drake Parker then beats Master Lee's students, using Lee to order one of his students named Liam, Drake Parker's semifinals opponent, to injure Drake Parker. At Lee's orders, Chang-e next hits the leg. Drake Parker is injured with a powerful kick, causing Drake Parker to lose his balance. This move works, and Chang-e changed his technique and attack on Drake Parker, who flips and judge Chang-e in the air with a kick to his head, winning the tournament along with the respect of Chang-e and his friend and also his classmate. And then I will tell the second film, that is The Miracle of Worker. Helen Keller is a child with special needs ABK, or disability, whose story is then adapted into a film. Even though she was born into a rich family, Helen had the disadvantage of not being to see and to her. At home, she was closer to her mother than to her own father. Helen's daily activities are just walking around the house. Because of the shortcomings she has, she often breaks things at home, which her father doesn't like. But her mother is very patient and love. However, because of Helen's frequent troubles, her father finally intended to put Helen into a mental hospital. But her mother didn't agree because the mother believed that Helen would develop in the right hands. And Helen's mother knew that was a smart person who could develop Helen's potential. She is Miss Sullivan. Finally, Helen's mother called Miss Sullivan to want to guide and develop Helen. Miss Sullivan was happy to guide Helen and take her to a news house because Miss Sullivan believed that staying with her parents would be difficult to develop. But it was not easy, because every day Helen is usually spoiled by her mother. Therefore, the first thing that was tough was independence, like eating alone with a spoon. But that lesson was not easy to teach Helen because Helen after rebelled. But thanks to the persistence and patience of Miss Sullivan, Helen was finally able to develop. After that, Miss Sullivan began to teach how to communicate. She was using shaded language using her finger. Day by day, Helen's parents changed. He couldn't wait to see Helen's progress. So, her parents want to take Helen to home. But Miss Sullivan didn't agree because she still wanted to teach things in nature. So, he begged to be given additional time to teach Helen. Although it was difficult, but at the end, her parents gave Miss Sullivan a chance and finally succeeded in teaching Helen according to what she hoped for. From both films teach us that a dream that we want to achieve must be based on struggle, learning, and prayer. Without these three, then what we dream of will be vain. Therefore, don't give up. As the saying goes, our greatest weakness lies in centering the calories path to success is always to try at least one more time. Okay, maybe that's all I can say, more or less. I'm sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.